Hello, hello. Welcome to the once in a while embroidery in my life. Today, probably as per the title of this video, I'm going to show you the process of how to embroider these little Among Us characters onto a t-shirt. Great, super last minute Christmas gift or just to wear for fun. So you're going to want to grab a t-shirt or a sweatshirt, hat, whatever you want your design on, and your embroidery hoop. I also always use this stabilizer paper fabric thing that makes stitching so much easier, and it's super easy to use. You just put it on the inside of your shirt and clamp it in with the embroidery hoop, and you can just tear it right off afterwards. Okay, so I didn't show this part because it's kind of redundant to what I did in my last embroidery video, but basically I traced the design, in this case the little Among Us character with the banana peel, using my iPad and a washable like black or blue pen, and then I chose the right colors for my thread, and then I got started on the outlining of my character. And I tend to outline first and then go back and fill it in afterwards. I just find it to be easier this way because if I do the inner colors first and then outline, I always have to go back in and fill in any missing color. But if I do it this way, I don't have to switch back and forth between colors to fill in any missing colors. If that didn't make sense, it might just not have made sense. But if you have embroidered before, you might get what I'm saying. I also tend to do smaller stitches because whenever I make the stitch too long, I just get paranoid that it'll get loose once I tear off the stabilizer paper or just even after a couple washes. So I tend to keep my stitching pretty short and tight. So here I'm just doing the backpack for my little guy, and the body and everything should basically always be the same, but of course you can change up the accessories. So I'm doing the banana peel hat for this one, but the other character I chose the goggles, and for this one I went for an all yellow character basically, so I only had to use 4 colors for him. If you look closely at the characters in the game, they have shadows on their legs and eyes, but I just wanted to look more simple, so it is what it is. Needless to say, Among Us is literally the game of the year, and if you play with specific friends, I highly recommend doing something cute like this for someone who has a go-to character color or getup. And you can obviously change the size you want the design to be. And if you have a frocket shirt, I think it would be super cute to put the character on the pocket. I also think it would be super cool to do like the do this person has been ejected, and then the flying character into space. That would be a really cute design, like across a t-shirt or a sweatshirt. Just throwing some ideas out there. I'm just finishing up here the goggles for the little guy, and I'm just gonna say with embroidering, the hardest part is starting. The first time I embroidered, it took me 2 weeks to finish like a single shirt, and I was stressed just a little bit. But this design, like once I had the idea and everything, I did 2 of these in like 3 to 4 nights. And you can't hear because I cut out the audio, but I'm literally just FaceTiming people while doing this, and I don't really have to think while I'm doing it. And honestly, I don't call my friends enough, so it's a great productive way to use my time all around. Oh, and last tip, think about the colors of your design and what background they'd look good on before you buy the t-shirt you want to put it on. I'm really glad I did this on a white shirt because I think it would have been some weird color contrasting on a colored shirt, and then the outline wouldn't have looked as good on a black shirt. And yay, so it looks like I'm done. Pulled out my iPad to look at the original thing. I'm not sure why I didn't refer to it while I very well could have during the process. But anyways, it looks similar enough in my opinion, and I was super happy with the way it turned out. And once you're done, you can remove the hoop and then take off the stabilizer paper from the back. You can just rip it off or it'll dissolve in the wash, but I just kind of cut around it because I'm giving this shirt to someone, so I thought I'd let them do the honors. Would you look at that? We are done. This is the shirt. Thanks for watching. Bye.